Tako, lepo zdrav, še enkrat vsem. Ko sem se pripravljal za tale webinar, danes sem imel največji problem s tem, ker imamo kak goste udeležence iz več držav, torej iz Slovenije, Hrvaške in pa glavnega zvezdnika danes je Erhan Korkmaz iz podjetja SOTI, tehnični nekak strokovnjak za produkte. On bo v angleščini govoril zadeve. Znači ovako još za naše goste van Slovenije. Lijep pozdrav. Ja se nadam da ćemo danas uspješno nekako provesti ovih pola sata, 45 minuta. Ovako smo agendu nekako, odnosno ovako je agenda za danas pripremljena. Prvo ćemo napraviti neki uvod, pregled ovih mobilnih uređaja koje vi dobro svi znate. Glavna stvar je ova točka 2, znači prezentacija SOTI Mobile Control i drugih nekako alata SOTI-a koje često koristimo kod naših projekata, vjerujem da neko od vas to isto već koristi. I na kraju ćemo, taj dio će biti u engleskom jeziku i na kraju ćemo probati odgovoriti na neka vaša pitanja koje ćete imati. Ako će biti previše detaljna, zamolit ćemo kasnije da porazgovaramo, ali svakako Erhan i Andraž Stošić su spremni da već danas na neka pitanja odgovore. Pripremio sam i nekoliko pitanja za vas između par slajdova, tako da ću vas zamoliti da malo kliknete na neke stvari, da napravimo taj webinar interaktivan. I ja ću isto malo mijenjati svoje jezike. Še glede vprašanj, torej v tem GoToWebinaru rodiju lahko svoje vprašanja seveda postavite. Tale oranžna puščica, ki jo morate imeti na ekranu zraven moje predstavitve, nekje jo kliknete, samo odpre potem polje, kjer v tale questions delu tipkate svoje vprašanje. Vprašanja bomo poskušali odgovoriti verjetno kar z glasom, ali pa pač natipkamo, ali se vam pa potem kasneje oglasimo, da kakšno stvar razčistimo. Tako da vaša vprašanja so dobrodošla kadarkoli vmes. Tako, samo par besed moramo o špici povedati. Znači špica postoji 30 i više godina sada već. Sada nas je više od 100 ljudi u ekipi u 5 država, znači Slovenija, Hrvatska, Bosna, Srbija, Makedonija i Crna Gora. Centralnu Europu, znači centralnu istočnu Europu pokrivamo sa partnerima u grupi IBCS, International Barcode Systems, i zajedno sa njima možemo vam nuditi iste usluge u Poljskoj, Češkoj, Slovačkoj, Mađarskoj i Bugarskoj. I njihova poduzeća IBCS firme su isto SOTI partneri, sve što danas pričamo ovdje. Oni vam mogu isto lokalno ponuditi na lokalnim tržištima, usklađeno sa špica aktivnostima. Smo največji Zebra partner v bivšej Jugoslaviji in pa že nekaj let SOTI partner. Prva malo bolj strokovno, znači prvo malo više stručnije stvari, koliko sam siguran da znate, Windows Mobile je Microsoft je odlučio da ga više ne podržava, to je 14. januara ove godine, zvanično Windows Mobile, odnosno Windows C nema više podrške. Svi su proizvođači opreme već pre par godina prešli na Android. Znači svi novi modeli koji ovih prenosnih terminala za industrijsku profesionalnu upotrebu već imaju Android, ali još uvijek je puno Windows Mobile opreme u upotrebi. Znači vjerujem da su i vaše flote, vaših mobilnih računala imaju nekako kombinirano okruženje Android i Windows. Polako će biti potrebno ove Windows starije uređaje zamijeniti sa Androidom. Za IT osoblje je ipak to malo drugačije, znači podešavanje, postavke, održavanje, management, Android uređaje drugačije je od Windows Mobile. Kažu da je lakše, da je jednostavnije, ali bitno je da je drugačije, pa se treba i na to malo pripremiti. Sad ću vam probati dati, torej probal vam bom dati na ekran eno vprašanje za vas, samo da ga najdem, bom prosil, da potem malo odgovorite. Zdaj bi morali dobiti vprašanje na ekran, torej kateri bo glavni mobilni operacijski sistem na vaših teh profesionalnih mobilnih terminalih? Ali bo to Windows C oziroma Windows Mobile? Zdaj govorimo o tem letu, recimo konec leta. Kako predvidevate, da bo konec leta izgledala vaša flota mobilnih naprav? Katerih bo največ? Windows Android, iOS ali ostalo. Vidim da vaši odgovori dolaze. Android je za sada vodi. Još uvijek vidim da će biti nekoliko firmi koje očekuje da će biti ipak Windows prevladujući operativni sistem u kraju ove godine i drugih, odnosno iOS i ostalo nema odgovora, znači većina Android i 77% Android i 23% od vas je reklo da će biti još uvijek Windows glavni operativni sistem. Još se malo mijenja, slobodno odgovorite. Usput da vam nekako skrenem pažnju i na ovaj link dolje, na kraju vašeg ekrana na špica web shop za uređaje, za skenere, terminale, printere, gdje možete pogledati detalje, cijene, zalihe i tako dalje i dati svoju narudžbu. Hvala za te odgovore. Po pričakovanju je Android glavni, tudi v vaših flotah, in lahko nadaljujemo. Torej, sekundu. Takole, tole je samo en kratek pregled zebra mobilnih naprav, kaj obstaja. Na vrhu levo je MC9000 serija, najbolj industrijska, najbolj pogosta. Na vrhu desno je MC3000 serija, nekak srednji razred, izredno kvalitetna, večji ekran, različne oblike. Spodaj levo je wearable oprema, da sta obe roki prosti, torej skener na prstu, terminal na podlahti. Desno spodaj pa dve ročni napravi, bolj za uporabo na terenu ali pa za nositi v žepu. Zebra ima tudi ena svoja orodja za nastavljanje teh terminalov. Torej Enterprise Home Screen je ena zadeva, kjer se lahko neke aplikacije zaklene, umakne in imajo uporabniki potem dostop samo do tistih aplikacij, ki jih vi namenite, ne morejo recimo do nastavitev in podobno. Osnovne zadeve, ne rešuje kompleksnih zadev, kot jih bomo kasneje od SOTI-ja videli. Erhan bo pokazal, katere detalje vse se da SOTI Mobile Device Management orodjem reševati. In pa ta drugo orodje od Zebre je pa Stage Now, to je pa orodje za enostavno hitro zaganjanje, torej nastavljanje terminalov, kjer se menedžer teh terminalov, nekdo iz IT-ja, nastavi te nastavitve in potem vse zakodira v enočrtno kodo. Torej, ko vzamete terminal iz škatle novi ali pa ko ga dobite iz servisa, rečete uporabniku, samo preberi tole črtno kodo in samo vse nastavitve nekako nastavijo. Še naslednje vprašanje, preden predam besedo Erhanu iz SOTI-ja. Torej, tole vprašanje zdaj je pravzaprav spet za vas. Koliko imate teh recimo profesionalnih mobilnih naprav trenutno v floti? Znači, koliko imate ovih industrijskih robustnih mobilnih terminala sada u vašoj floti? Naravno da tako za IT ekipe je tako, što je više tih uređaja, to je više posla. Znači, ako imate, ne znam, 100 novih terminala, dobijete u kutiji, treba postavke osnovne od tih 100 svih uređaja postaviti. Znači, svakoga van iz kutije, bateriju staviti, sačeka da se pokrene, upisati postavke i može biti 15 minuta po svakom uređaju da se potroši vremena za osnovne postavke. Znači, to su nekako radnje koje želimo sa raznim softverskim alatima kao što je SOTI riješiti, odnosno olakšati rad IT ekipama. Polako vaši odgovori dolaze, vidim. Nekako su raspoređeni ravnomjerno, znači danas je sa nama su i firme koje imaju više od 500 terminala u svojoj floti, a najviše vas ima između 100 i 500 uređaja na terenu. Sad ako se ovi uređaji po čitavoj državi raspoređeni po trgovinama, po skladištima, još je teže menedžirati i upravljati sa tim terminalima. Znači fizička udaljenost terminala je isto često problem. Hvala za vaša pitanja, za vaše odgovore. Ja ću sada ovu anketu zatvoriti. Ovako, i samo još da skrenem pažnju na druga špica rješenja, znači nije da se bavimo sa ovim zebra terminalima, nego imamo i kompletna rješenja za supply chain management, od warehouse management rješenja, vodećih svjetskih rješenja za velika i srednja skladišta, label management za tiskanje, znači i potrošna oprema, naljepnice, riboni. Četvrta točka je naše rješenje Frontend Fin za popis osnovnih sredstava. Počeli smo se sada baviti i dosta uspješno i sa ovim autonomnim robotima, znači autonomna kolica za prevoz robe po skladištima, po proizvodnji za internu logistiku. Imamo partnerstvo sa firmom Fetch iz Amerike koji proizvodi ove 4 varijante robota koje vidite desno dolje. Ako vas to zanima, slobodno nam se javite. RFID projekata je sve više i više i često radimo neke custom rješenja za lanac snabdijevanja ili za proizvodnju, za skladišta, za trgovinu ili za logistiku, odnosno za transport na terenu. Evo, ja bih u tom trenutku dao riječ kolegi Erhanu Korkmazu iz SOTI-a. Mislim da će se sam predstaviti. Zapišite si neka pitanja za njega, ukucajte ono polje gdje smo rekli, ona narančasta strelica, i u polje questions upišite i probat ćemo to odgovoriti. Još imam jednu anketu za vas, za kasnije pripremljenu, ali to ćemo kasnije. So Erhan, it's your time now. I will make you a presenter now. Just a second. Make presenter. Yes, I will switch off my camera, so it's your time now. Erhan, the stage is yours.
Thank you very much, Andrei, and good morning to everyone. My name is Erhan Korkmaz. I'm sales engineer for SOTI at the Southeast Europe region. So I will talk about our company and what we are providing, what values are. The SOTI is the more than 20 years old, the company. Our main focus is the mobility. Our headquarters is located in Canada, Toronto, Mississauga, and the European headquarters located in United Kingdom, but we have offices around the world, Sweden, Dubai, Asia, Australia, and so on. Where we are today. So as a SOTI, we are a profitable company. We are a fast-growing company. On the other hand, the SOTI is the company focused on development and adopt the technology and mobility trends. So here you can see our awards. Our recognitions: PC Magazine Best MDM Solution, the Deloitte, the IoT Breakthrough Awards, IoT Evolution Awards that we received. We have 17,000 enterprise customers around the world. Like basically, you can see some of them: Rui, Carrefour, Bus, 3M, Con, BMW, the Kühne Nagel, and others. Here you can see the European customers like DPD, Deutsche Post, PostNord, E.ON, Schenker, Audi, Maersk. So as you can see, we are working with many different the vendors. Here, we have 4,000 plus partners around the world. This enables us to provide the quality service to our customers and their needs. Organizations are doubling down on mobility. So in current situation, this Corona world, the world recognized that how important is mobility. The workforce effectiveness, streamline operations, security on mobility and IoT, and all of these brings customer satisfaction. The last year we launched SOTI One platform. Before we were only known that SOTI Mobile Control, our EMM platform, but now other modules intuitively developed to integrate with SOTI Mobile Control. For example, rapid app development, SOTI Snap, our industry-first mobile help desk, SOTI Assist, SOTI Insights for business intelligence, SOTI Identity for identity provider security, SOTI Connect for IoT, and SOTI Central for the collaboration. Here, how SOTI One platform handles mobile and IoT lifecycle management. What we providing our customers, our partners, data collection, tracking assets, diagnostic help desk, rapid provisioning, multiple endpoint management from one platform, rapid app development via SOTI Snap, security and identity management. We have broadest device support. From all of the world, 200 device manufacturers, as you can see, rugged devices, as Andrei mentioned. Now there is a transformation from the Windows mobile devices to Android, single-use devices, tablets, smartphones, laptops, PCs, kiosks, point-of-sale systems, digital signage, and as a future, the AR, VR, and MR headsets. So we are working with many the logistics, field service, retail customers. The workers are increasing, and with workers increasing in these sectors, devices, mobile devices are increasing as well. Currently in our world, so we just order online and the courier delivers our goods to us, and they are using mobile devices here. SOTI One platform solves the core business problems, and integrated the approach, the mobile first era. So here is the downtime is not option. The operation must be the effective operation. Mustn't be this interrupted. This is where the importance of the SOTI One platform. Here at SOTI Mobile Control, we bring extreme technology, out-of-the-box remote support, advanced geofencing, SOTI Assist, mobile-first diagnostic help desk, first-touch resolution, whiteboard annotation, and secure remote access. SOTI Snap, unleash your inner developer, building apps in minutes with no code development and blockly technology. SOTI Insight, the business intelligence, SOTI Connect for IoT, the data-driven architecture, multi-protocol supports, and identity for the security user management. SOTI Central for the collaboration. And now I will just walk you through quickly on our web console, how SOTI Mobile Control looks like. Here the SOTI One platform. As you can see, all items here, Mobile Control, Snap, Assist, and other items. The web console, SOTI Mobile Control, as you can see here, the real-time interactive dashboards, where you can see manufacturer models, last connection times. On the left side, you can see groups. Every group has different, like retail, logistics, sales, or different. Also, you can click view all devices from here. As you can see, we have advanced search filter where I can see all my Zebra devices. So I put this manufacturer filter, and I see my Zebra printers, Zebra devices, here TC57. For example, I will just go through these. We have device details, configurations, applications, etc. But as Andrei mentioned, we have the advanced feature for your devices, HTML, customizable HTML kiosk, our remote control technology, our ticketing solution. As you can see here for the retail example, I can play with this device, or I can just remote control and provide the real-time help to the field, the worker, to solve his problem and continue to his work. So here you can see we have many other options. We can download logs, or just we can record video and many other options that we provide here. Video recording for the problems, screen drawing, or device snapshot, or downloading debug logs, and so on.
So Erhan, you have remotely connected to a specific device here, and you see the screen, and you can help the user.
Correct. And here, everyone sees the SOTI Snap. We developed the applications, the fast development applications. I can go into this application, and I can see I can use here mobile control from SOTI Snap, for example, or I can see this specific application for this company, and I can use it as well. I can help the remote worker and solve this problem and let him work. So these are the abilities of SOTI Assist: screenshot, video recording, the screen drawing, and so on. So the real-time support for the field workers or store workers or any worker who is using mobile devices. In previous screen, we just remotely connected a device and we saw the SOTI Snap applications. Here, the SOTI Snap, our rapid application development platform. So you can see the screen, there is a tablet, but I can see as a phone or tablet, I can change it. So, and there is widgets and there is a screen. So I just quickly prepared an application for our webinar, Spitza. So name, surname, company, barcode, rate our webinar, location, date, and sign. So as you can see, I can drag and drop any widget here, and I can create my applications and just send for the store manager for audit reasons, for any other reasons. So I go here for preview. I can choose skin.
Erhan, it seems that this SOTI Snap is kind of simple development tool for simple applications for mobile devices, right?
Correct. Yeah. So like here, I put my name, I put my surname, company is SOTI, barcode no. Okay, I put 4-star for myself, 5-star for Andre. So I take location. This is important because you may need location where it was. I choose date, and I sign here, and I approve, and I submit this data. As simple as that. As Andre mentioned, the rapidly and easily build an application. Of course, all of these applications are developing continuously. So like every 3 months, there are new developments, new features within every item of the SOTI One platform. That's it from my side, Andre.
Yeah, thank you. Could you show or could we discuss a bit more about mobile device management, or even better, in the meantime, I will put additional poll question survey on the screen for our attendees. Just a second.
Yeah, for sure.
So the question is, znači ovako, da li već sada koristite neki mobile device management tool za vaše mobilne uređaje? Znači, ali koristite neko MDM orodje? Torej, možnosti so, da ne in da ste zadovoljni s tem, da ne koristimo ali planiramo koristiti nešto. I zadnje dva pitanja su da koristite i zadovoljni ste sa postojećim vašim alatem, ili zadnji odgovor je da koristite, ali želite nešto zamijeniti. Da ćemo ovo sad pustiti pola minuta na ekranu da lako odgovorite. So Erhan, the responses are coming in now. Majority of customers or attendees of today's webinar is that they already use some MDM tool, but not all, and that they're satisfied. And I know that there are quite a lot of existing SOTI users today on the webinar. So it's about 50-50 between, yes, we already use MDM tool, and the other half responded, no, but we want to start using one soon. So we have two different kinds of attendees. today?
Of course, as you mentioned, there are two types. You know, I mean, like there are different concepts. So, like the SOTI, we are providing the management concepts for the company-owned device, but also we have huge support and the features for the also BIOD and the other knowledge devices. So.
Yeah. I have closed the survey now, so we are back to your screen. Erhan, I understood so that in your Mobi control you have a list of every terminal. You can group mobile devices in different groups, and you
Yes.
can have different settings for each of these groups. And I suppose you can also track the location of these devices. You can also put the geofencing areas, so alerts and so on. So could you tell us a bit more, let's say, about the reporting and the security features of the MDM?
Yeah, perfect. So like reporting, we have two type reports. For example, first from the advanced search filters, which is quite flexible. Okay, so I will, for example, I need the reports list of Zebra devices. Okay, with specific contains Zebra, and I need the list of the Android 8 and above devices. So I put here again this filter greater than 8. Okay, I have this filter. I need the list of these devices. So I have two devices here. Here I can click this button. I can download CSV report, or also I can email this report to my boss or related person.
And if I have a new version of my company application, I can launch it or upgrade it remotely through your tool.
Correct. You can upgrade. So like you can send the new update via file synchronization, and then that way we can upgrade your device remotely. Like, you know, any number of devices, we can quickly upgrade your Zebra devices via mobile control.
Okay, I know 100 mobile devices, and 2 of them are returning from the repair center. They have been repaired from different reasons, but they come as a factory clean devices without any settings and without any applications. Can I use your MDM tool to stage these devices to put them into work?
Yes, exactly. So as you mentioned in the slides, there was stage one. Stage now, sorry, not stage now. With Zebra stage now, we can create a barcode, an MDM enrollment barcode to SOTI Mobile Control, and then device will be automatically enrolled into our system.
So the Zebra tools and your tools, they can work together.
Exactly. Also, any additional settings that you create on the stage now and converted to XML. So also we are pushing the additional XML settings via mobile control and applying these changes into Zebra devices.
Great, thank you. Še enkrat bi naše udeležence prosil oziroma spodbudil, da kakšno vprašanje natipkate v polje questions, da poskušamo kar takoj odgovoriti. Torej tista oranžna puščica questions in lahko natipkate. In the meantime, Erhan, I have asked attendees to type in some questions. I also noticed that you can manage printers. Do you mean mobile printers or desktop industrial printers?
Answer is both of them. As long as printer has connection, Ethernet, the 3G or IoT protocols. So we are managing printers, as you see here, Zebra printers. Zebra printers are part of our web console. As you can see, these modules, new models. Also, in future, still under development between SOTI and Zebra Global. So these printers will be managed through the SOTI Connect. Okay, so the printer needs to be connected to the network. It needs to have Ethernet or Wi-Fi connectivity. Correct.
Yeah. What kind of data do you get out of these printers? What kind of information? Error states, I don't know, how many labels was it printed?
Yeah, exactly. So here you can see device details, the custom data. You see length printed with current, so head, printer labels printed, available memory, available storage, printer battery status, IP address. Also, we have configurations here. Also, like print test page, factory reset, report incident even. But also, I'll just quickly move into the profiles for the printers and show details. So here you can see our profiles: Android Word Managed, Word Profile, BIOT, Apple, iOS, macOS, Windows, Windows Mobile, Classic, Modern, HoloLens, Phone, so Linux, and printers. So for the printers, as you can see, we provide certificate distribution, power, printer label, printer profile, network and Wi-Fi configurations, also customer custom configurations. So printer label, as you can see, continuous. We can provide the settings. Also, we have alerts, as you mentioned, the real-time alerts to notify customer.
Yeah, one question of that in this reminded me of the situation. Let's say there is a customer who has 50 locations across the country, and I don't know, 100 devices, like a retail store. Very often those scanners, mobile terminals get lost, or nobody knows where they are. Everybody knows that there should be 2 terminals in each store, but in the store they can find only 1 terminal. Can SOTI help with finding these devices?
Yes, indeed. This is also like how we help our customers. For example, this device currently located in Germany, so we will see real-time location here. Also, I would like to mention a story from the Carlsberg, our customer. So they found 9 of their devices last year via mobile control. And you know, funny story is they thought that they lost one of the devices, their devices, but device was in the car under the seat.
Oh,
And
yeah,
I
sure.
think,
We
yeah,
also
I
had
think,
similar situation. One driver lost the device, and we found through your solution, through SOTI, that he left the device on the desk in one petrol station.
yes, indeed. So this is how we help our customers, not only through the remote control or the different features, but we provide the location services for our customers. Of course, we have more detailed reports and business intelligence information on our other modules as well.
Okay, Erhan, what about battery management? The mobile devices needs to have a good battery health. Can you help with your solution in this? Can you find the devices which have bad battery, something like this?
Yeah, I will just quickly jump into here and show you some detailed information on SOTI Insight. Not only battery, but we can provide many valuable data for the devices, battery, application, data consumption, and so on. Just a second. So this will here for the battery here we have data collection, but this is raw data. So like battery charge cycle, health battery percentage. So we have data here, for example, this collected data. But here on the other side, we have the business intelligence data. You see this battery, the levels, hour by hour. But here, Andrei, you can see the battery status. If I go down, battery size, battery health, temperature, charge cycles, patterns. So charge level by hours, discharge rate per hour, top 5 up draining the battery. And here you can see the bad health, good health, or very good or bad. So here you can see you can find out the devices, and you can quickly prevent. You can be proactive for your operations, either on field or in warehouse.
We have a new question from our attendees. It is about the printers, mobile printers. So the question is, can you manage a Zebra printer, mobile printer, connected through Bluetooth on a mobile device? A mobile device is on internet, Wi-Fi, printer only on Bluetooth.
I think we not on the same level as we do with the connection, but of course we do this management as well. But there must be application, the assistant applications. The Zebra has application, so we can send some files or send some commands through this application to devices.
So you can manage, but in a kind of limited way.
Correct. So
okay.
Also the needs Zebra companion application for this Bluetooth management. So to provide the commands.
I understand. So I'm looking through questions now. We already answered some of these questions. Pozivam vas da upišete još neka pitanja, svakako možemo i kasnije na nešto odgovoriti, ali imamo sada ispred nas Erhana, stručnjaka za te stvari. There is a question about licensing. Currently, Erhan, your solution works in a cloud, so there is no need to install any local service, local servers, right? The whole solution is available in SOTI Cloud.
Yes, we have SOTI Cloud, and also we have on-premise installation, and the cloud and the on-premise installation functions 100% same. And yes, the details are working same here, cloud or on-premise.
So we have the cloud and on-premise installation.
Correct.
Yeah. It seems that we have answered all the questions. I believe we did what we planned. So we made an overview of SOTI solution. Torej, naredili smo jim pregled čez ta SOTI zadeve. Tako da jaz se vam nekako počas bi zaključil. We will shortly finish our presentation. We all invite you to put some additional questions later. We are ready together with Erhan to help you with good use of your existing SOTI installation, or if you need to install mobile device management, SOTI and Spitz are ready to help you all. So thank you for all attendees. We will try to organize similar seminars, webinars also in the future, and hope to see you soon all in person. Thank you.
Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you very much to our platinum partner, Spitz and Andrej.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
До свидания.